guys, so I am wiring up the automatic bottle heater, and this is the little sensor or whatever the hell it is that pretty much turns on and off the heater depending on the bottle pressure, which is connected to the same thing. I just screwed it onto the bottle and then screwed it on over here, and then you just have to wire this part to a negative, and then you put the other part to the relay. I'm probably just mount the relay somewhere over here for now. I've never done this before. I've never done any type of wiring before. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and still try it and see how it goes. All I have to do now is run a power from this relay to the front battery. So I'm gonna run a wire going all the way through to connect to the battery, and then I'll wire the switch and do all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I removed the battery to get access to the firewall through that hole in here. That. And there. So I ran that through all the way through here to the center console. I'm gonna run it all the way through the back and run it all the way over here. You can see got it right here. All the way through. The relay is right here, so I'm gonna connect it to the relay over here, and that's gonna be the power. On this end, I crypt it and put some of this shit on it, and then this just plugs into the relay here. I moved on to the button. Went ahead and drilled it into here. Then I just gotta wire that. This is the fun part, like I showed it earlier. So now this should work. Ta-da! And you can hear it click in the back. And I already made sure that the heater actually turns on, so now the heater works.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since the last install that we did with the whole wiring. Sorry I didn't get like the whole wiring thing, like show step by step, but to be honest, I was learning and I was just kind of in my zone and I didn't have time to explain it. So basically right now I'm doing spark plugs. I'm changing out my stock ones, and as you can tell, these things are done. And I did a few NA runs with this, and I still did pretty good. And this one was full of oil, and I'll show you some other ones so you guys know how bad it was. There you go. Hell yeah. And it was still running like a champ. A 1-cylinder car still giving fools the gap. So we are also installing the jets to do the 120 shot. I told Monsif, I showed him a picture of the plugs just to like laugh, and I told him I'm also putting in the 120, and he's like, bro, you're gonna blow your motor. And to be honest, I don't know if he's right or not. To be honest, I really don't care. Full send it. I really just want the power, and this is supposed to be my project car, so I'm gonna blow this motor and put in another one when it does go out, and keep spraying it until I get a turbo. My boy Luis right here helping me out. Give him a follow. I'll put his Instagram. He's gonna also have a pretty sick build coming up, so keep tuned for that. Won't tell you what it is until he says it. And another note, I did put all the interior back in, so I'm no longer gutted. And you're probably wondering where the hell did I put the bottle. It's still in the same spot. Just gotta move this, and it's in there now. I'll just close this, and it's back to normal. Here are the jets. So depending on how big the jet is, that's how big your nitrous shot's gonna be. So the particular one, this is the nitrous jet, and it's a 38. And then he's putting on the fuel one right now, which is a 26. And that formula gives you 120 shot on E85. So if you're on ethanol or any type of ethanol, your fuel and nitrous shot will be different than if you were just on like normal 91, 93. So we're putting these on right now, and that's gonna make the 120 shot, and hopefully it doesn't blow. So we dropped the jet in there. So we're trying to pull it out with this little magnetic screwdriver. Is it not working? It's too thick. Bruh. No.
Right. My phone's about to die.
Yeah. You can't get it? Alright guys, all done. We were able to get that fucking jet out from that little creek. Everything's running fine. It runs fucking awesome. I just did some pulls. Sorry to show you. But it's pretty much good to go. Thanks to fucking Luis over here putting in that work. If you guys need anything VQ related, hit him up. Spark plug change $400. Just kidding. Alrighty guys, see you guys probably in the next vlog. I'll probably end this vlog right here. And next vlog we should be either tuning or racing. Late. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Finally! Let's go, Grandma! Let's go!
I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.